Well, hello friends and fellow Disney fans. Welcome back to the Jamie Thomas Show. Today we are jumping back into our vlog series, just going day by day through our Alaskan cruise on the Disney Wonder. Today we're getting off in Skagway. Then we're going to try the Big Nugget excursion. When we get back on the ship, we're trying out Tiana's place, and we are finishing off the night with Freezing the Night Away, a wonderful Frozen show up on the deck. If that sounds interesting to you, stick around. So welcome to day 4 of our Disney cruise in Alaska. First real port excursion. Today we're in Skagway and we're gonna go on the Big Nugget port excursion tour. What is that? They're gonna pick us up from the ship and they're gonna head to basically this company, Alaska 360's private, property where they have kind of an old-timey gold rush town that we're gonna be able to meet with some prospectors, do some gold mining ourselves. We're gonna have some s'mores, we're gonna be eating some food. We're also gonna meet some sled dogs, meet some sled puppies. It's gonna be so much fun. Claire is so excited to see the dogs. So we're gonna show you this tour, show you whether or not it's a good port excursion worth the money. So come along. Karis.
Morning. Good morning.
Morning, everybody. Let's go. You excited, Nolan?
Oh yeah, I can't wait to go gold panning and see the puppies. And wasn't there also like a bunch of shows going on too?
Yep. So today we're doing the Big Nugget. There's like performers and gold mining and puppies. It's gonna be awesome. What did you just see?
A dog. His name was Pearl.
Her name was Pearl? All right, Jamie. We're gonna see some puppies. See the sled dogs. You ready?
See the puppies.
Claire, ready to see some dogs?
Where's your goal? I got a tie! No! You're in jail now! How could you? Absolutely not! Out of here!
which
Ooh.
is $16.76.
Oh.
Fantastic job.
Wow.
Here we have 1.8 grains, which is going to be $21.54.
Whoa. All right, here we are. This might be the one. I actually don't think it was. I don't think I did very good.
Let's see. I don't know if this is going to be 1.8 grains. It looks closer to 1.1 grain.
Ah,
$13.17.
thank
You're
you.
welcome.
What do you guys say?
If you guys are interested in any of these, we can help you out. Otherwise, the pokes are for you to hang on to. You have a little Alaskan Morocco.
Awesome. Finally got to lunch with our Nugget experience. Pretty good meal, actually. Everyone's can't talk, eating. So what are we doing now?
So we're doing some tours now. They gave us a bag with everything we need.
So today is my daughter's birthday, and we came back to the bedroom, and apparently the stateroom attendant had got wind of the fact that it was her birthday, and they gave her new birthday sheets. Check this out. Now, they were much flatter and nicer before. My daughter's already sat on them, but how cool is that on a Disney vacation, they pay such close attention to every detail. They give you new birthday bed sheets for your kids. Just awesome. Our server recommended the crab dip and the bacon tartlet. Interesting, he did not recommend any of the soups. And then entree-wise, he recommended the turkey breast and the steak. I think I'm gonna go for the steak tonight. Jamie, what are you gonna get?
I've never had cream of spinach soup. Like, would it just be disgusting or would it be good?
Try it. Can't hurt ya.
It has lots of like iron in it, which would be good. I think I'm gonna do the crab dip. Cheddar cheese and apple smoked bacon tartlet sounds good. I can't remember if I had it before and if I liked it or not. And then I'm definitely gonna do the New York steak.
That's what I'm doing, is the steak too. Karis, you said there was one thing that you wouldn't do no matter what we said. What was the thing you wouldn't eat no matter what anyone said? Apparently she's very afraid someone's gonna force her to. So as I've mentioned several times, today is Claire's birthday and she's partying really hard and it's dinner time and this is the result. Whoa! Aww, what a nice birthday gift. Wow. Claire, it's got the little bug on it. Hey everyone, we're going to the Frozen the Night Away show.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Nolan, ready for freezing the night away?
Yeah. It will be freezing and the night will be away.
So we want to give you a few thoughts from just our overall day today because we covered a lot of ground.
Yeah.
First, we did try the 5.5-hour tour in Skagway called the Big Nugget. Jamie, what did you think of it?
I thought it was phenomenal. It was a little taste of everything Alaska. We did gold panning, we did seeing the mushers with the dogs, we had puppy kisses, and we learned some history lessons about Alaska and also had some really good food. So that excursion was phenomenal. 10 out of 10, recommend that.
Yeah, I would highly recommend. It is a little pricey, but I thought for an overall just getting the feel of Alaska, it really gives you everything.
That's right.
And so now we got our review of Freezing the Night Away. This really is in lieu of any kind of a fireworks show. They're not allowed to do that in Alaska. It's the first time that we've seen it. Jamie, what'd you think?
I thought it was awesome. You get to see all the characters. It's a sing-along, dance party, and then there's the snow. Elsa comes and brings some real snow.
Our niece loved it. She was actually saying she wishes it was 10-20 minutes longer.
Oh, wow.
Which that's from a 15-year-old female.
I
So
can see that, like doing a big dance party. Because it was postponed the other night, it was really late tonight, so like 10:15. So I was good with the amount of time, just because we have an early morning with an excursion in Juneau. Which, by the way, Brad, do you know what our next port is?
oh, dad joke.
Juneau.
Juneau.
So if you are interested in seeing all about Juneau and the excursion we do, make sure to watch for next week's video.
Absolutely. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We hope it helps you as you maybe plan your next Disney vacation.
So maybe you are thinking of a Disney Alaskan cruise yourself. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, so I can help you get the most out of your next Disney vacation. Make sure to contact me. I offer up to $1,000 in onboard credit, and plus you get a ton of tips and help and advice for me when you book.
So to reach out to Jamie, the easiest way is by email. You can contact her, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or by the website, www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote.
So thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next week. Bye.
Bye.